Brothers and sisters, it gives me an honor to introduce our ever youthful Professor Anil Kumar as our next guest speaker. Professor Anil Kumar is known around the world as the translator of Bhagavan himself, of his discourses from Telugu to English. Therefore, he is considered as the voice of Bhagavan Baba himself. Anil Kumar has served in various capacities in the Sri Satya Sai organization in Andhra Pradesh, India, before he was selected by Baba personally to serve as the state president of the Sri Satya Sai organization, Andhra Pradesh. Subsequently, Swami invited him to serve as principal, Sri Satya Sai Institute of Higher Learning, Whitefield campus. And later, he brought him closer to Prasanthi Nilayam. He has served 4 decades in the Sai organization and the Satya Sai educational institutions, and only recently retired from the university. He is a renowned world speaker, as you have seen from yesterday and today interaction. He has traveled around the globe sharing the inspiring message of our beloved Baba. He is also a prolific author with 30 books to his name. Today, since this is the first youth conference, he will talk to us about what the youth should do, taking this energy to serve our beloved Swami in the organization and going forward. One thing of personal note I would like to add is when this conference was initiated and thought of as from the Zonal Youth Conference, when we asked the Canadian youth, who do you want to see as a guest speaker, the overwhelming response was Professor Anil Kumar. Secondly, what we did was the youth drafted a letter inviting Uncle to grace us with his presence on this occasion, and his immediate reply was, yes, wherever the youth are, I will go. And so we have him in front of us today. So brothers and sisters, please give a warm welcome to our energetic, spirited uncle and mentor, Professor Anil Kumar.
Ready?
Yeah, no worries.
Fine.
Like you always do questions.
एक बार क्षमा करो साए मेरे बाबा श्री सच्चे साए एक बार क्षमा करो साए मेरे बाबा श्री सच्चे साए
एक बार क्षमा करो साई मेरे बाबा श्री सत्य साई
क्षमा मूर्ति साई बाबा प्रेम मूर्ति सत्य साई
क्षमा मूर्ति साई बाबा प्रेम मूर्ति सत्य साई
क्षमा मूर्ति साई बाबा प्रेम मूर्ति सत्य साई
क्षमा मूर्ति साई बाबा
एक बार क्षमा कर पाए मेरे बाबा से सच साई
एक बार क्षमा करो साई मेरे बाबा श्री सत्य साई
शिरडी के साई तेरे बाल दबाए
शिरडी के साई तेरे द्वार कमाई
आर्थिक साई तेरे याद मुझे आए
आरतिक साई तेरी याद मुझे आई
क्षमा मूर्ति साई बाबा मूर्ति सच साई
क्षमा मूर्ति साई बाबा प्रेम मूर्ति सत्य साई
क्षमा मूर्ति साई बाबा मूर्ति सच साई
क्षमा मूर्ति साई बाबा प्रेम एक बार क्षमा करो साई मेरे बाबा श्री सत्य साई
मूर्ति साई बाबा
साई बाबा
एक बार क्षमा कर साई मेरे बाबा
एक बार क्षमा करो साई मेरे बाबा श्री सत्य साई शिरडी के साई तेरे द्वार कमाई उलटी के साई तेरी याद मुझे आई क्षमा मूर्ति साई बाबा प्रेम मूर्ति सत्य साई क्षमा करो साई मेरे बाबा श्री सत्य साई
साईनाथ बाबा महाराज को साईनाथ बाबा महाराज को That's youthful way of expression. My pranams to the lotus feet of our most beloved Bhagavan. And we have here national, international leadership, regional, zonal leadership. I am very grateful to all of them for inviting me to the first Canadian Youth Conference. Thank you. Sometime back, I received a letter of love. I am not saying love letter. I say letter of love from Dr. Thayaparan, whom I vaguely remember to have seen his face, if not in person, because I see him in the university. And later, that letter says that he would like to have me here for the Canadian First National Conference. I jumped at the opportunity. Why? You are the leadership of such an organization tomorrow. Why? Doesn't matter even if I don't talk to seniors, nothing will happen. Because we are very close to get down to the next station. You are long journey passengers. Swami devoted most of his time for youth because they are going to build the nation. They are the architects of the nation. They are the missionaries and visionaries of the nation. You are the future leaders of this country and of such an organization. And having spent 49 years with youth, I am ever youthful. That's my competence, eligibility, and qualification to be amongst you. And yesterday, I met a group of boys who are quite cheerful, quite dynamic, quite active, and I see girls from here equally active and dynamic too. And this morning, Dr. Tayaparan referred to certain important points. This youth conference, apart from its goals, objectives, aims, what you want to do in future, apart from that, it has brought you all together. First aim is to bring together, that is fulfilled. Secondly, you have been working together. What are the activities? What is the agenda? Who should speak first? Who should speak next? What are the workshops? What are the different topics to be given? What are the questions to be dealt with? It is a practical demonstration of your leadership, which is already fulfilled. Very good, very good. Doing anything, we are all together. 5 fingers together will make my job to eat very easy. I cannot eat with single finger. It's not possible. Together we are strong. A kerchief, so strong, you cannot break it. Single thread, easy to break. This common example that Baba gives, united we stand, stronger and stronger we are. You are all united, keep it up, keep it up, keep it up. That's what I can tell you. Dr. Tayaparan also made a mention that you are the treasure of tomorrow. What does Baba say about it? When you go to bank, what do? You give a check and get money, right? The nation is going to draw checks to get money in the form of youth, young men and women. You are the treasure. You are the bank's International Monetary Fund. And we draw from you all your leadership energy in future. Dr. Tayaparan also mentioned that we should be sure that Swami is with us. We are sure, or else he would not have been here. We are sure. The mind, he also referred to focus and to emulate example and to become a devotee, and qualities of Arjuna, he mentioned so many. Really grand. And he also said that such organization should help us to bring in a kind of transformation and connect us to Swami. Good. Remember this point, my friends. If we are together, the past and present, we can easily move into the future. What happens is, young think that old are fools, but old know that young are fools. Therefore, what I say is, we work together. There's nothing like old and young. We go together. Something like a river. The water of yesterday, water of today flows together into the future. 3, past, present, and future. Very good. I attended workshops, spirituality in daily life, the leadership, social media. Very good, very good. I found out that all of you are deeply interested and prepared with questions, with inquisitive mind, far better than workshops of international conferences. Because in international conferences, you are really committed You're really focused. My appreciation to you. And the girl who read out her experiences, that one should take God as a friend. How? I'll give you an example. And that He helps you to choose your correct company, and that we should have faith to develop self-confidence. Good. And that we should consider ourselves as powerful instruments, and that whatever happens is for our own good. That we should be hopeful, seek His guidance for decision making. You have done the best of the jobs. God bless you. God bless you. Let's give her a big hand. Now, what am I to say to you? This is the first national conference. I have few ideas to share with you for your consideration, deliberation, discussion, and if they are approved, for implementation at a later stage. I choose to give you these projects because First National Conference should set guideline for the coming conferences. It should not be repetition. Repetition is boring. Repetition is monotonous. Repetition is mechanical. We shouldn't do that. We should be creative, something new. What are the points I suggest? Let us have such a Sai Youth Festival. Sai Youth Festival. Yes, why? Yes. Sai Youth Festival. What do I mean by Sai Youth Festival? You may be saying that you'll have it in the year 2016 international. That's a different thing. At the national level, what is my concept of Sai Youth Conference, of Sai Youth Festival? Sai Youth Festival is an opportunity given to youngsters to come out with their hidden talents. You have talents. I have been hearing to your bhajans, melodious, on par with Prashanti standards. And the tabla, the harmonium, the professional fellows, you are doing a good job. Yes, yes. Sai Youth Festival is to bring out talent in you. That's what Baba does. He will just look around. You come here, speak for some time. That fellow starts speaking. He may not do well. He may not do well. Swami says, Acha, bahut acha hai, very nice, very nice. He'll give next opportunity. That fellow will be struggling hard to improve his quality. He'll do well. Very good. That's why by giving repeated chances, he makes orators, speakers. Sai Youth Festival is to bring out talent among youth. Talents in music, talents in painting, talents in speaking, talents in dramatics, talents, instrumental music, story writing, dance, all the talents are to be brought out. That is Sai Youth Festival. In Sai Youth Festival, I look forward to a day when you'll have matches, cricket matches. Why not? Soccer. Why not? You'll have matches, just as we have Unity Cup organized in the presence of Swami for cricket. We'll have cups also, rolling shield, not the individuals. Supposing Edmonton wins, the shield will go to Edmonton Sai Center. The individual will use some individual prizes. So let there be some awards and rewards for these competitions, youngsters. Games, sports and games. Swami encourages sports and games for students. Every time, January 1st, a fellow who cannot walk, he starts jumping. Sai behind you. So we'll make you play better than what you can. We'll make you display your sportsman spirit more than what you want. So let there be sports and games. Let there be competitions in music, vocal and instrumental. Let there be competitions in public speaking. Pick and speak. We'll give you a topic. Come and speak. Not 1 month of preparation. Taka. Swami does it. Arey, why? Come here. You should speak. Not 2 months advance notice. It's not drama rehearsal. You should come and speak. That's how boys are trained. Pick and speak. We'll write topics on papers, jumble them, pick up. You'll get your topic. You speak on that. 3 minutes. Pick and speak competitions to pick up talented speakers from students. Dance competition, classical music, classical dances. Yes, students dance in front of Swami. Why not? Dance is religion. Music is religion. Why not? Like that. Youth festival includes dramatics, music, dance, talents, competitions, sports and games. That's youth festival. That will attract youth to come to us. If I tell you come to Nagar Sankirtan at 4:30, existing fellows also will run away. If I go on telling you, preaching you 9-point code of conduct, I have 10th point to get away from you. It's not that. We should attract you. Youth are always for that. Because I worked with youth for 49 years. My life is full with youthful stuff all these years. They want their talents to come out. They want original things. They want something creative. On the other hand, you sit down, I'll give lecture till the evening. What will happen? You will never come next year conference. Not only that, you determine not to attend any conference. I should give you what you want. I should supply you what you want, what you need, so that all of you will be interested. Satyasai Youth Festival. And in Satyasai Youth Festival, it will attract many, many students, many youth from outside. They all participate. We just put them in the line, join them in Satyasai youth programs. Secondly, I also wish there should be bhajan competitions. Bhajan competitions. How are they? Few examples. I'm not a good singer by any standard, though I have interest in it. Supposing there are 3 sentences in a song, in a hymn, I sing the 3rd one. Third thing. And you should complete the whole thing. Team A, Team B. Meera ke nath prabhu murali gopala. With the 3rd addition. Good. That's one way. And 2, there's one song that defines who God is, a single sentence song. Team A, Team B, Team C. One sentence song. Oh, Antam Brahma, Jam Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma.
Satyam Jnanamanantam Brahma. Satyam Jnanamanantam Brahma. Satyam Satyam
That explains who Swami is. A song, a bhajan song.
Manas Bajre.
Huh?
Manas Bajre.
Louder please, team A. Love is my form.
Manas
You
Bajre.
get the mark. Love is my form.
Well, we're all teammates. It's good.
Can you sing all together? Come on, all together.
He's my fool. Love is my fool. Truth is my bread. Bliss is my fool. Love is my message. Expansion is my life. My life is my message. Expansion is my life. The season for love. The season for love. No birth, no death. For love. No birth, no death. प्रेम सत्य आनंद धर्म शांति अहिंसा अहिंसा धर्म शांति शिरडी साई सच्ची साई प्रेम साई जय शिरडी साई बाबा सच्चे Love is my food, kiss is my bread, bliss is my food. Love is my food, kiss is my bread, bliss is
You are not ordinary children, huh? Good, good. Another question. It's a song in Japanese language.
Oh,
You have to sing for me the original song.
drop your keys, yeah.
You can download songs from different languages and they play the original song and you have to play that song in foreign language, German or Japanese, and you have to sing the original song. Kami-sama, Kami-sama, Adharu Chinnaru Kami-sama, Kagiri-nai, Aino-ikari-re, Virajite-kudasai, Kami-sama, 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 Adharu Chinnaru Kami-sama, Kagiri-nai, Aino-ikari-re, Kami-sama, Kami-sama, Adeno Uchinaru Kami-sama, Kagiri-nai, You're right. Give me a big hand. Japanese. Omiyori pukai ai no kami-sama. Omiyori pukai ai no kami-sama. Ai no kami-sama. Ai no kami-sama.
Om Namah Shivaya, bolo Om Namah Shivaya, bolo bolo sab mil bolo.
Bolo sab mein bolo Om Namah Shivaya. Like that, we'll keep some songs, foreign languages, and make you sing those songs, original. And I also heard some whistle wizard, Siva Prasad, visited Canada. He gave a whistle concert in front of Swami.
Tribhuvana Bala Baba Sai Deva, Tribhuvana Bala Baba Sai Deva, Shiva Maheshwara, Shiva Maheshwara, Shiva Maheshwara Sai Ram. रमेश्वरा शिव शंकरा शिव महादेवा साईरा कैलासवासा महादेवा त्रिभुवन पाल बाबा साई देवा पाल बाबा साई देवा ईश्वरा शिव महेश्वरा साईरा शिव शंकरा शिव महादेवा साईरा कैलास
Like that, they play on the instrument and you have to find out the correct song. We should have bhajan competitions like that. So that the full, I see how nice you are singing. And all your answers are correct. You see that? You'll be interested to know more and more. Radha Madhava. Follow me. Radha Madhava Shyama Gopal.
Gopala
What next? Darshana Dehe Madana Gopala. Darshana
de Madan Gopala
Gopala. Darshana De Nandalala.
Gopala Darshan de Nandala
Gopala. Darshana De Nandalala.
Darshan de Nandala
Madhusudana Bala Govinda.
Madhusudana
Muralidhara Nanda Mukunda.
Muradhara Nanda Mukunda
Bala Darshana De Nandalala.
Gopala Darshan de Nandala Radha Madhava Shama Gopala Radha Madhava Sai Gopala Darshan de Madan Gopala Darshan de Nandalala
On bhajans, quiz. Bhajan Antakshari. We can have quiz on Swami's biography. Swami's biography. Would you tell me an incident where Swami healed himself from paralytic stroke? Where? No. No. He cured himself of the paralytic stroke. Pardon? Guru Purnima festival, I said where? Not. Yes. This happened in Goa. Swami visited Goa and then he fell totally paralytic and he just sprinkled water and he was quite normal. It was quite normal. Right? Would you tell me the great lady who gave jhula, silver jhula to Swami? Bala Gopala, Sai Bala Gopala, Vasudeva Nandana Gopala, Yashoda Nandana Gopala, Nanda Gopala. Have you not heard that song? Who gave that silver jhula to Swami? You have not given, are you sure? Rajmata of Navanagar. Rajmata of Navanagar gave Swami the silver jhula. Who was the first translator of Bhagwan Baba? Kasturi, no. Prior to him, I'll give you a clue. Governor of Punjab, Governor of Kerala, a short man, expert in 13 languages, wearing a Gandhi cap. B. Ramakrishna Rao. Burgula Ramakrishna Rao, Governor of Punjab, Governor of Kerala, was the first translator of Bhagavan. What is the only country? Before the question, this paper leakage in Canada also. In Canada also paper leakage, question paper leakage, good. So we have to prepare such questions, ask questions on these subjects, okay? Now, simply say that. You all know that. Example, to make these teachings popular among children, let these teachings be popular. Today you may not remember, today you may not know their significance and depth. Over a period of time, you will know what they are. Ready? Ready? Yeah. Let me be further ready. Yafs of Baba. Yafs of Baba. Team A, B, C and D. Yes, anybody? Team A? Okay. Team B?
No, Uncle, we had it.
Yeah.
Follow the master, face the devil.
Follow the master, face the devil, fight to the end, finish the game. These quotes, famous quotes of Swami, should get into our ears. They should be deeply sunk into our minds, and they'll be of use to you later. They'll be fond of use to you later. Okay. There is one quotation. Follow me? Question to Team B now. There is a quotation, Swami quotation, that says, service is more important than rituals. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hands that serve are holier than. In India, what is happening today, you know that? Girls are getting more marks than boys. And more gold medals to girls than boys. That's an unfortunate thing, I being a man. So you have done a good job. Yes? Team A, ready? What are 3 R's of Baba? Letter R. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Team A.
3 R's, that's hard.
Team C. 3 R's of Baba. Team D.
I don't know the R's.
Quizmaster should get at least 1 point. 3 R's of Baba are reaction,
Reaction, resound.
reflection, resound. Reaction, reflection, resound. 3 R's of Baba. Good? You should clap for me at least. Okay. There's another question. I'll give the meaning. You should give me correct quotation. You make your attempt. You make your attempt. And Swami lead you on and on.
You take 1 step towards me, I'll take 100 towards you.
Team A.
1 step towards me.
Whoa, 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 whoa. one step towards me, I'll take 10 steps towards you. Boys and girls. Like this, we can organize quiz on Swami's literature. We can organize quiz on Swami's biography. We can organize quiz bhajan programs. Another, what is Shivam? Where is it? Who gave the answer? Shivam is the building there in Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh. Oh, Telangana. The headquarters of Telangana now. Good question. Who will tell me the name of the Swami's abode or home in Simla? In Simla. Ananda Vilas, correct point.
Yeah, Google that, bro.
Correct point, good. What is the name of the building where Swami stays in Kodaikanal? Sai Sruti, correct, Sai Sruti. So we can also put some questions connected to Swami. His life, his mission, his quotations, bhajans, like that. We should organize so that you'll be interested in it. You'll be more and more interested in Sai literature, Sai message, mission. You understand me? This is one set, Sai Youth Festival. The second program, which I want to draw your attention, is this. What is it that is bothering youngsters? How many are employees? Raise your hand. Already in job. Quite a good number.
No, like working. How many of you are?
What is the immediate problem? My boys and girls, Bhagavan gave number of discourses to youngsters during summer, published in 10 volumes under the title Summer Course in Indian Culture and Spirituality. There in that literature, you have everything that youth need. You don't need to run after anybody. Supposing Anil Kumar, a famous guru, or Anil Ji Maharaj, will give some training on personality development, $200. Many useless fellows will come to me. Every useless fellow will have useless followers also. Every fool will have foolish followers also. You don't need to go anywhere. Repeat, you don't need to go anywhere. Why? All are here in Swami's literature. What are your problems? Number one, stress management, tension management, tension. You look onto the face of anybody. Why? If you are like this today, by the time you reach my age, you'll be rolling on the ground. Full of tension, full of stress. So you need a talk on stress and tension management. One talk. Two, what is that you need today? Good health. Many of the software engineers, they suffer from spondylitis, finger problems, backache problems. Then why money? What do? Pay to doctors? You earn money to pay to doctors. What for? You don't have health. Why don't you have health? Health is not properly maintained. So you need a talk on health management. One, stress and tension management. One talk, health management. And third, Mind management. Mind, how to manage the mind. Do we have a mind first of all? Never mind. Ask a boy, 12th class boy, "Arey, what do you want to do?" "Oh, well, I don't know." You don't know? I say. "Arey, what do you want to be?" "I don't know." Shame. That fellow has no mind management. "Arey, where do you want to go to? Boston or would you like to Oxford University or Harvard University? Where do you want to go?" "Well, I don't know." No goals, no aims, no objectives. Mind management. Supposing I say, "Right, you are a good boy." Have you known that I am a good boy today? I have been a good boy for the last 20 years. Supposing I say you are a bad boy. Am I a bad boy? We'll settle the matter outside the hall. Our mind is not able to maintain balance in pleasure and pain. Our mind is like that. If it gets O grade, C grade, depression, suppression, oppression, frustration. In success, pride, ego, domination, pomp, show, exhibitionism. Mind has no balance. So we should have a talk on mind management. Fourth, we should have also a talk on time management, health management, mind management, tension and stress management, time management. What time? So many people say, "We have no time for bhajans." I say, "You have no time for service." Is that so? One gentleman was telling me, let me not tell his name. "Sir, some youth get married, so they have no time to come to center." Am I a bachelor? Do you mean the Sai organization is for bachelors? No. So to say I have no time because some people are married, wrong answer. And another gentleman gave me another thing. "Sir, youth number is going down because they go elsewhere." Go elsewhere what? They go elsewhere, they can be youth member there. They are not going elsewhere. They go to different place, that's all. You can be youth member there. So, if all school children pass, do you mean to say I should close the school? Next generation will come. Next batch, get through, next batch. So to say that some have left, a wrong reason. Some people say, "Sir, too much of work in the office." Wrong. If you do too much of work, too much, you will not have health this much. You should know the breath management. Breath management, what you call pranayama. Breath management, how to control your breath. If you control your breath, you will live long. Dog, you know, it lives shortest period. Snake lives longest period. Breath has got three: inhalation, exhalation, retention. Puraka, Rechaka, Kumbhaka, 3 stages. The more you retain your breath, control your breath, mind will be under control. Thoughts will be under control. You live long. So, breath management is also necessary. There is one lady by name Indra Devi from United States of America. She gave few yogasanas, a book form also. She called it Prema Yoga. Prema Yoga, written by Indra Devi with all asanas to maintain physical body. Swami gave her number of chances to give 30 talks there in the year 1972. Yogasanas, body management, health management. These are necessary for youth. There are Swami's literature available, Swami's talks available. Why can't we teach them to you? Steps to success. How to be successful? We'll tell you. We'll tell you, come on, totally free. Personal development there, $250. You lose your personality also. You come to me totally free. Because we have highest, greatest treasure of Satya Sai literature with us. Please go through Sai literature. If at all Swami blesses me with another opportunity to be youth of Canada and give talks on these topics, personality development, steps to success, mind management, or we can have even on Skype, or I'll send you the script. My business is, believe me or not, my only business is this: share Baba's knowledge, spread Baba's knowledge. Why? There is no other greater knowledge than this. I want to attend that meditation workshop also. Meditation is the word which is most misunderstood. Meditation, sitting like, close your eyes. You get back pain, nothing else. That too, when you sit for meditation, brain becomes a market. All thoughts come there. More so ugly thoughts. What is meditation? In newspapers, meditation camp, 20 days, $500. Do you mean to say those sages, saints are useless fellows? That they can't afford $500? What is meditation? Satya Sai Baba tells you free. What is meditation? Satya Sai Baba tells you how to maintain your health, how to be successful in life, how to be youthful, how to be ever young. Ever young, you know. We'll never age, no. Go to Puttaparthi, Prashant Nilayam. There are people above 70 still working 3 times more than youngsters. You know that? Why? Sai Baba is young, we are young. Why? He is hero, we are evergreen heroes. He tells you how to look young, how to be young. Anybody who can tell me? Baba's answer. Why do we age? Why do we grow in age? Some people at the age of 40, 30, they look like 60. See, how to look young. Don't you want to look young? Yes. What does Baba say? To look young, you should have control over your senses. Control over your senses is the way to look young. What is the way to immortality? Removal of immorality is the way to immortality. These things must be taught to you. These things must be shared with you, with youth, so that you will be working in future in a brilliant way. Gopala Radhe Krishna Govinda Govinda Gopala.
Gopal Radhe Krishna Govinda Govinda Gopal. Gopal Radhe Krishna Govinda Govinda Gopal. Gopal, Gopal, Gopal. Gopal Radhe Krishna Govinda Govinda Gopal. Govinda Govinda Gopal Radhe Krishna. Govinda Govinda Gopal Sai Krishna. Sai Govinda Govinda Gopal. Sai Govinda Govinda Gopal. Krishna,
Govinda Govinda Gopal Radhe Krishna.
Govinda Govinda Gopal Radha Krishna,
Govinda Govinda Gopal Sai Krishna.
Govinda Govinda Gopal Sai Krishna, Sai Govinda Govinda Gopal, Sai Govinda Govinda Gopal, Gopal Radha Krishna, Govinda Govinda Gopal.
Already indicated that the duration of my first talk has come to an end. And being a youth member, I should follow his instructions. We will meet again. Thank you for listening to the talk in that attention. God bless you. Thank you. Jai Bolo Bhagwan Sri Sathai Baba Ji ki. Jai Bolo Bhagwan Sri Sathai Baba Ji ki. Jai Bolo Bhagwan Sri Sathai Baba Ji ki. Thank you.